VB4 button functions. Power button. Long press the power button to turn on a device. Long press the power button again to shut it down. In the off state, short press the power button to check the battery level. Double-click the power button to enter sleep mode. Click the power button again to wake it up. Knob function switching button. Dial button. While the dial button is on the access control mode, by default, rotate the dial button to control the rotation of the roll axis. Click the dial button's function switching button. Now, the dial button controls the rotation of the pan axis. Click the dial button function switch button again. Now the dial button controls the rotation of tilt axis. Long press the dial button function switch button to switch the zoom control. In this mode, rotate the dial button to control zoom. Click the dial button function switch button to switch to focus control. In this mode, rotate the dial button for focal control. Joystick. Album button. Push the joystick to control the tilt and pan axis rotation. When using the app, click the album button to access the album. In this mode, put the joystick up or down to play or pause the footage. Push the joystick left and right to navigate through the footage. After connecting the stabilizer to Bluetooth, tap the shutter button to focus. Click to capture photos or record videos. When using the app, long press the shutter button to switch between capturing photos and recording videos. M key. Double-click the mode button to switch between horizontal and vertical filming. Click the mode button to switch between pan mode, pan, and tilt follow mode, and FPV mode. Trigger button functions. Press the trigger to enter full lockout mode. Double tap the trigger to return to the receiver. When connecting to the app, click to the trigger button to follow a phase. Thank you for watching.